Victory Royale Gaming Podcast. This episode is very special because it is the one and only Field Network. Shouts out to Field Network Esports Lounge here in Sacramento, California. I'm one of the pro gamers on the roster, and I have this opportunity to make this episode showcasing what is Victory Royale Gaming ideal game for 2021, and a lot of it is based upon what the future of gaming in 2022, and of course the past of gaming, 80s, 90s, retro games, indie games, and a game that I would like to develop that I just came up on the fly is called Dragon Arsenal. At yours truly. So we can go to the other slide here. Okay, there we go. So, what game elements? Are we picking games that we like, or picking developers that we like? Does that necessarily mean, if your favorite games collab, is that going to make the best game? If the best developer companies collab, is that going to make the best game? So I wanted to incorporate the elements of a first-person shooter looter, having clans and guilds and clan battles, a 1v1 arena with the MMORPG, the life skill storyline, life skills versus PvP, being able to have a guild house and a state customizable, having medieval elements in there with guns and mixing it all up in a way that's esports related. So the next gen cross-platform battle royale, Victory Royale Gaming, is based upon battle royale competitions, where it's no longer just Xbox versus PlayStation. Now it's console versus PC. You can build a custom PC, gaming PC, which operates arguably better, more efficient, and faster than the consoles. Now consoles are kind of catching up. But in 2000, the golden years of gaming, 2008, 2009, it was really it was Halo on the Xbox, right? And now the PCs are getting involved in the consoles and social media and esports. So having an MMORPG battle royale, that's the best of both worlds. And so how would the gameplay be? So a medieval first-person shooter, being able to go from third person, first person, having guns versus dragons. A dragon is going to be very difficult to solo with just a shield and a sword. So having some type of guns in there, and then being able to have a shield that blocks guns, having a state guild house, and it being an esports title is key. You haven't really seen an MMORPG as an esports title, right? All those first-person shooters aren't really at that level. So moving on next is, it's going to be for everybody. It's going to be kids, it's going to be pros, it's going to be who's it going to be for, and how is that going to correlate to the gameplay? And so the EZERG ratings is ideally an mature, blood, gore, violence, all that, 17, 21 plus, so being able to brew your own things and the life skilling, fishing, of course, and just getting creative with poisons and other things that you may see in an MMORPG crossing over to a first-person shooter, right? And I want it to be esports pro game for that older generation of people playing casually, pros playing with casuals, and everyone's having fun. It's competitive, and not separating the pros from anybody that just wants to have fun, right? the genre: looter shooter, battle royale, VR games, a hybrid first-person shooter, MMO, RPG, battle royale. So the PvP part is where ideally the esports is going to be implemented in the 1v1 arena, right? How is that going to play a part in a medieval type of player, and having a PvE duel type of thing where, running around and anywhere, any place, anytime. But, somebody can't just snipe you from across the map just because, they're just feeling like their karma, whether implement some type of legal law system that's accurate to civilization, whether it's a karma system or it's maybe, I'm thinking it's a ranked thing, if you're ranked and, you do something like that outside of the duel, your ranks are going to go down, right? And having an equality thing where, it's definitely not pay to win. Anybody can just load up, pick light armor, heavy armor, a sword and a shield, a staff. Guns can be tricky, but it's all equal. It's all equal playing field. And then, picking and choosing how to customize things where it's equal, and having that strategy of our guild's gonna have different factions and esports battles and stuff like that. Keeping it fun where it's not broken, the meta isn't overpowered, and people can't complain that there's hackers and there's other things, because it's an equal playing field. You got beat fair and square, right? A pro is gonna be better than you, right? In a tournament setting. So that's really key to hone in on. And that's it for this slide. In regards to where I'm at in development, really being able to lay out whether it's 2D or 3D in an actual engine. Now, I would like to put my best foot forward and get the best engines and being able to play around with creating the assets of the game. I'm not quite the back-end developer, game developer, and the best at engine optimization for these games. I can create a PowerPoint, I can tell you what I want, creative director, creative designer. This is my channel, Mr. Victor 101, go like me. I'm currently on this Field Network, so shouts out Field Network. And go check my other episodes out, and hopefully there's more to come. So invest and donate. Support local streamers, support pros, and look into your local gaming community, because we're building. We gotta build somewhere. We gotta start somewhere. All these games are online, playing with people from all over the country, all over the world, different servers and stuff like that. But if we can't support each other locally, if we can't support local pros, there ain't gonna be nobody else in other states, other countries that's gonna support you, right? So that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next episode. I don't know what the next episode is gonna be, but we're building.